Let's talk about one of the biggest questions we hear from cleaning company business owners. What affects the price of SEO? Now, if you've ever Googled it, you've probably seen prices all over the map, from $100 to maybe a few $1,000s a month. So what's going on? Why is there such a big difference? Well, here's the truth. SEO isn't one size fits all. The price depends on a few key things, like your market, your website, and how fast you want to grow. Now, if you're in a smaller town with just a handful of cleaning competitors, your SEO plan can be a little bit lighter, maybe $750 to $1,500 a month. But if you're in a major city, going up against huge franchises with dozens of local cleaning companies, you'll need a more aggressive plan, and that's usually $1,500 to $3,000 or more. And not all SEO is created equal. Some companies offer super cheap SEO, but they're just tweaking a few words on your website. Real SEO means strategy, content, backlinks, Google business optimization, and consistent updates. That's what actually gets you found and booked more often. So when you're comparing prices, don't just ask how much does it cost. Ask, what am I actually getting? Because the goal isn't cheap SEO, it's SEO that really works. At 5 Door, we help cleaning companies show up online, build trust, and turn visibility into book jobs. If you're ready to see what that looks like for your business, reach out and we'll walk you through what drives SEO pricing and what kind of results to expect.